up,
Get on up,
stay on the scene
get on up,
like a loving machine.
get on up.
Get up,